We now have AI video games. So this is coming from Mirage 2. This is their generative world engine. And the way it works is basically you upload an image, and they have a bunch of images here already, but you can actually upload your own as well. And you just hit start and you're playing a video game. So just upload an image of what looks like a video game and then just hit start and you're playing a video game. Absolutely insane. And definitely where we're going in the video game world. So you can see this is like a Zelda type game, and you can shift. So I can hit shift and the character will move faster. I can control the character by going, you see I hit right there, the character is now going right. If I hit left, character will go left. So it's a little bit slow right now. I'm assuming a lot of people are using this. I'm not really sure, but it's a little bit slow right now. It's also a little weird. Like it's not perfect. Like you can see the shield is moving around, but this is happening in real time using AI. So there was one picture and now we have this full world that's being created. This is really, really nuts. Really, really wild stuff. You can also hit shift to make the character move faster. So now the character's running. You can hit spacebar to have the character jump. Oh, it looks like that just closed it. All right, let's try that again. So again, it's not perfect, but this is obviously where video games are going. Very, very obvious to me. So it's reloading right now. Let's see. So I guess you have to give it a prompt too. I just realized. So you upload an image and then you give it a prompt. Tranquil rural village, pathed in a bright daylight, a dirt path, meanders, and boom, we're playing a video game again. So character consistency is obviously not great either. I'm not really impressed by it, but it is kind of cool. So there we go. We got him to jump. Let's press F. Let's see if he can actually use his weapon. Whoa, okay. So it completely changed to a different character here. So it's slow, it's buggy, but this is happening right now in real time. By the way, I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you can try it out yourself. It's 100% free. Anybody can try this right now. And drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this. I'm really curious to hear what you have to say, what you think this is going to lead to. So she's walking on water here, which is kind of weird. The character has changed several times now. The graphics have changed, but this is essentially a AI-generated video game happening in real time. So let's try another one here. I really like this Da Vinci one, this Starry Night one. So let's, is it Da Vinci, Van Gogh? That's got to be Van Gogh, right? Starry Night. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Van Gogh. So we're going to try this Starry Night one. Really curious to see how this goes. There isn't a character here, so I don't know what I'm going to be controlling exactly. In a dreamlike rural landscape, evocative of Van Gogh. So I guess it's just like a way to just scroll through this world a little bit, which is kind of cool. Let's see. We just walk through this world. This is getting a little annoying here, so let's see what we can do. So we can just kind of walk through and look through this world. Again, super slow. It's moving very, very slowly here, but I am able to walk through this world. It's kind of cool that it's doing this in real time. The consistency is not great. This doesn't look like Van Gogh painting anymore. It just kind of looks like a village, which is pretty cool, with a really interesting like Milky Way galaxy, but also pretty cool. All right, let's try another one here. Let's try this like GTA looking game here. Let's see how this looks. So we have like a GTA game. We have a Batman game. We have like what looks like a child's painting game here. All right, so this is like the GTA style game. This is pretty cool, honestly. All right, so am I going to beat this guy up? No. Can I steal this cab? Wow, the cab stopped for me. That's pretty cool. Actually kind of interesting. So this cab's just driving on the sidewalk, normal, I guess. Stopping for me too. Let me try to attack the cab. All right, so I guess what happens is if it gets overloaded, it just kicks you out of the game for some reason. So let's try one more. Let's try this guy on a horseback. Actually, I want to try this, and I want to try the cyberpunk one too, this Ghostlight District. So let's try both of these. So it says servers are busy. So it says it takes about a minute, but honestly, it takes like 10 seconds. So we're on horseback here. We're walking around. This is pretty cool. So listen, guys, this isn't like playing a real video game right now, but this is just sort of the beginning of what's happening with AI, right? It's creating these worlds as you look at them. So you upload a picture and then it creates the whole world as you move around the game. So this is obviously what's next for the gaming world. That was kind of weird. The horse like became a different horse in a different reality, but that's fine. But this is definitely going to be moving in this direction for video games, that's for sure. And I'm actually kind of excited to see where it's going to go. I think in this form, it doesn't work well. I think it's obviously like super laggy, but if they can perfect this, and I think what's going to end up happening is there's going to be a monthly fee for video games. And I'm really curious to hear your thoughts on this. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. But right now, the way video game works, you buy it. At some point, if you want to get a DLC for it, you get a DLC for it. But I think what's going to end up happening is you're going to end up paying a monthly fee to play video games. And then what it's going to be is a generative AI video game like this, where it's generating the game in real time. You create your own adventure, and essentially you're in the game and then paying for their monthly fees to run the GPUs to have AI create the game for you. So it really is like the Matrix a little bit, right? You're like entering this like video game Matrix where you don't know what's going to happen next. Nobody knows. The AI is kind of deciding for you. And you're going to pay a monthly fee for that. That is where I think this is going. In my eyes, I don't see any other way this is going to work, because there's no way they could sell you a video game one time that uses this much GPU space, right? Like even this little example right now that doesn't work well, that's just kind of like, super inconsistent and slow and choppy. Even this cost a ton of money to run. Like this is probably running on like $10,000 a week worth of servers, maybe more, maybe $5,000 a day, who knows? But this is very, very expensive to run. So I wanted to bring this to you. I wanted to show you what this is all about. I haven't seen too many people talking about this. This is called Mirage 2. Again, I'm going to link to this in the description below. Try it out for yourself. Drop a comment. Again, let me know what you think, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.